Joy, 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 let the joy of Christ reign in your heart. Through his death and resurrection, he has changed our sadness to joy. Bring joy in feeding the hungry. Bring joy in sheltering the homeless. Bring joy in clothing the naked.